How to make British pancakes. To 300 grams of all-purpose flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Mix the dry ingredients well. In another bowl, whisk 2 eggs. Add 1/4 cup of oil, and 300 milliliters of milk. Mix the wet ingredients well. Slowly add the dry ingredients and mix them well. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and your batter is ready. Butter the pan at medium heat. Pour 1 ladle of batter and work it around the pan. Cook each side for 45 seconds to a minute. Make as many as you can. That's it! Your pancakes are ready. Now finish them with your favourite toppings. If you like this easy recipe, subscribe for more.